Hello everyone, grab the sides of the hair, tie in the middle of the rubber and drop the tail into it, making a twisted band. Grab another section of the hair right next to it and tie in the right middle and have a tail dropped into it, making another twisted band. Do the same twisted band totally 4 times, and then with the remaining section of the hair at the bottom, split them into 3 parts and have it braided. It's very simple, just cross the first 2 tails and cross the second and the third tail together so that the first one goes to the third place and the third one goes to the first place and comes back. This is how you should braid it. And secure the end with the rubber band, move the braid to the top left and bend it down and secure it with hairpin. Get the sides of the hair, tie in the middle of the rubber and drop the tail into it, going for a twisted band. Then do the same twisted band one more time, split them into 3 equal parts and have ponytails on each of them. Then have a rubber band attach the top middle part of the tail and clear a loop and drop the tail into it. Drop the entire tail into the second loop we have. Do the same for the other 2 tails as well. Then after that, with the middle tail we have, stuff it inside, making it completely hidden. Have a rubber band attach the middle part of them and clear a loop and drop the tail into it. Do the same for the other tail and drop the other tails into the second loop we have. And after that, with the remaining section of the tail we have it combine with the rubber band and stuff it inside the bun. Grab the sides of the hair and make it cross in the center and drop the right tail into the loop and tighten it a little bit and secure it both with the rubber band. Then grab another section of the hair and do the same as we did before. So do it totally 3 times, and with the remaining section of the hair along with the tail we have, split them into 2 parts and have each section into 3 parts and have it braided. It's very simple, you know. First cross the first 2 tail and cross the other 2 so that the first one goes at the third place. So this is how you should braid it. Do the same braiding on the left side as well. Then after that, fold the braid to the respective direction on top and have it in place by dropping little hairpin. Get the sides of the hair, tie in the middle of the rubber and drop the tail into it, going for a twisted band. With the remaining section of the tail we have a rubber band attach the top middle part and create up in the middle one. Drop the tail into it, drop the entire tail into the parent loop, making a heart and shaped lump. Split them into 2 sections and have each section into 3 parts and have it into a thicker braid. Secure the end with the rubber band. Do the same braiding on the left side and drop the braid to the twisted band, make it go to the top and have it come down at the center and combine them both with the rubber band and decorate with your lovely hairpin to enhance it. Catch the sides of the hair, tie in the middle of the rubber and drop the tail into it, going for a twisted band. Grab a little portion of the hair from the left side and twist it entirely and drop it into a loop on the twisted band. So continue doing it until you empty every hair in the left section and drop it on the right. So with the entire right section of the hair, split them into 3 equal parts and have it braided. So do the braiding until you reach the bottom in a thicker manner and have the ends secure with the rubber band. Fold the braid to the top left and have the tips stuffed inside the twisted band we have and secure the whole hairstyle by dropping little hairpins. Get the sides of the hair, tie in the middle of the rubber and drop the tail into it to get a twisted band. Split them into 2 equal sections and have each section into 3 parts and have it braided. You know how to braid it? Do the braiding until you reach the bottom and secure the end with the rubber band. Do the exact same braiding on the left side and drop the left braid into the right loop and the right into the left. Continue doing it over and over until you reach the very end, and with the tips we have it combine at the bottom with the rubber band and stuff it inside the bun we created. Get the sides of the hair, tie in the middle of the rubber band and drop the tail into its own loop, making a twisted band. How does a ponytail have a rubber band? Touch the middle part, clear the loop in the middle one, drop the tail into it. Have a rubber band, touch the bottom middle part and stuff the tail to the last loop of the rubber band on the second one. Then move the entire one to the top. Thank you everyone for watching this video.